Hi, I'm Paul Rabelais. I'm a board certified estate administration. I want to talk to you today about a common scenario that happens here in Louisiana when a parent dies. Their home's going to the children, but the family has decided that they want one of those children to own that home. I'm working on 2 of those successions right now. So here's the way you have to do it. Again, the scenario: parent dies, home going to children, and children have all agreed that one spouse is going to own the home. You've got to do the parents' succession, because the first thing that's going to do is that's going to transfer the home from the parent's name into the children's name. That's the first step, so you got to do that succession. Then the second step is the children then can either donate or sell their share of the home to that child who's going to own the home entirely. So sometimes the children will agree to donate it to their siblings. Sometimes the siblings will have an agreement to buy their share from each other. But you got to do that succession first to get it out of the parents' names into all of the children's names, and then the children can buy and sell and donate amongst themselves. So that's just another succession story. Be aware that anytime somebody dies with something titled in their name, they've got to do that succession. If you'd like us to help you with that, give us a call. Our toll-free number is 866-491-3884. Y'all have a good day.